A 30-gallon air compressor is a popular and pretty standard-sized air compressor. They are often used in home garages to inflate toys and car tires, but they can also be used to power some light tools. Though the air compressors used at home are usually smaller than 30 gallons as they are more portable. There are many products available to choose best 30-gallon air compressor, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 30-gallon air compressor from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Campbell Hausfeld 30-gallon air compressor. Campbell Hausfeld is the air power expert that is your ultimate companion till the end of the project. Make your job done in a shorter period via easy cozy means. Engineered with a 3.7 HP motor powered at 240 volts. The dual-cylinder cast iron pump is designed for durability and extended life operation. It can reliably be used for 5,000 hours and above. Since the tank capacity is huge, the compressor is equipped with a durable and ASM-certified horizontal tank. You can continue your tasks without pauses for refilling. The inclined handle and semi-pneumatic large wheels allow you to move around easily. Plus it also enhances portability to carry it from one job location to the next. Number 2. Nutstar Portable 30-gallon air compressor. The Nutstar 30-gallon air compressor is at the higher end unit. Turnout pressure rating is 24.4 CFM at 90 psi, and up to a maximum of 175 psi. Enjoy the interruption-free job with the superior technology integrated. It is powered by a heavy-duty Honda gasoline engine with 3.8 charging circuit. The OHV engine has better fuel combustion for high output. The engine can be switched on with both electric startups or with the recoil rope. Please be informed that Honda GX engines are legendary in the industry for outstanding performance and durability. The compressor is engineered with a belt-driven 2-stage V-style cylinder pump, integrated with a floating-type durable Swedish steel valve. Moreover, the cylinder heads and crankcase are made of high-grade cast iron to extend the service life. The pump also includes the low-vibration technology that fades out the quaking to endorse the smooth operation. As you know, heat can have an adverse effect on performance, and also shorten the compressor life. Therefore, the pump is designed as a V-style to eliminate hot spots and provide superb cooling. This orientation also ensures the long service life of the pump. Number 3. Industrial Air 30-gallon belt-driven air compressor. The Industrial Air comes with ASM vertical tank with 30-gallon storage capacity that grants 5.7 CFM at 90 psi. It's enough speed and storage for beefing up your air-hungry tools and can effectively work with heavy-duty tasks. Further, it's a single-stage compressor built with a powerful 1.9 HP dual-voltage induction motor. That gives maximum performance, higher efficiency in your work, and ensures trouble-free operation. The dual-voltage system is convertible, meaning the compressor can be wired for both 120-volt outlet and 240-volt applications. Another great thing about the motor is its 155 psi max pressure that helps in optimum tool performance. Number 4. Dual 30-gallon portable air compressor. This dual 30-gallon compressor has a dual-voltage motor that is plugged into standard 120V, but can be modified to a 240V appliance. The heavy-duty induction motor energies the pump for overwhelming and hassle-free performance. The twin-cylinder pump is cast iron and is assembled with an aluminum head and valve head. They can effectively dissipate heat in a very short time. Thus, keep the pump cool for higher efficiency, and also increase the lifetime. The mighty pump can deliver up to 155 psi for using the air tools for a longer duration with top-notch performance. This magnitude of torque is enough to remove stubborn nuts and bolts. The compressor also features automotive ball bearings and durable Swedish stainless steel reed valves. Plus, there's a 12-inch cast iron balance flywheel for high performance. All the vital components such as flow regulator, pressure gauges, quick connect air outlet and on-off switch are readily available from the front board. Number 5. Powermate 30-gallon portable twin-cylinder air compressor. This 30-gallon vertical air compressor incorporates a heavy-duty induction motor capable of operating on both 120V and 240 volts. There is manual thermal protection that trips the power when the motor becomes overloaded. This will result in a longer lifespan and durability for the motor. Cast iron, twin-cylinder pump boost up to a maximum of 155 psi for high-end performance. Plus, it is installed with an aluminum head and machined cast iron valve plate to quickly dissipate the heat. The oil-lubricated pump ensures smooth and durable performance. It is also shipped with synthetic oil for first-time use. Over time, there is a need to replenish the oil. A glass for checking the oil level and easy access to fill up the oil. The control panel is available on which you have quick access to the regulators, pressure gauges and on-off switch. The compressor also includes ball bearings and a reed valve made with stainless steel. Moreover, the single-piece crankcase and 10-inch flywheel are all made of cast iron. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.